Here's how to create a portfolio website with Canva. First, go to Canva and search for portfolio website. This will bring up a selection of portfolio website templates that you can customize for your own work. If you don't have Canva Pro, only open the templates that don't have a crown icon at the bottom. Now, choose a template that fits your type of work. Whether you're a video editor, photographer, graphic designer, thumbnail designer, or another creative professional, you can choose a layout that matches your style. Select a template to preview it, and if you like the design, click Customize this template. Once the Canva editor opens, you can start replacing the template content with your own. The editor gives you access to images, shapes, text, buttons, uploaded media, and other elements. Start by replacing the template's images with your own photos or project examples. Upload your media, then drag an image onto an existing image area. Canva automatically places it into the design. You can also edit each image after adding it. Select an image and use the editing tools to adjust its brightness, apply filters, crop it, flip it, or change its position. This makes it easy to make your images fit the design without using another editing application. Next, customize the text throughout the website. Replace the template's name with your own name and update the description with your profession or role. You can also change the other text sections to explain who you are, what services you provide, and what type of projects you work on. You can customize the appearance of the website as well. Select the background and choose a different color. Then adjust the text color so it remains easy to read. You can change other design elements to create a consistent look across the entire portfolio. Take some time to make sure your fonts, colors, images, and spacing work well together. As you move down the website, you'll find additional sections where you can display your work. Replace the existing images with your own projects and adjust their size and position as needed. You can move images around to improve the spacing and use the text areas beside them to describe each project. If the template includes sections that don't apply to you, remove them. For example, if you don't need a particular page, select that page and choose Delete Page. You can also remove individual elements by selecting them and pressing Delete. This keeps your portfolio focused only on the information that potential clients or employers need to see. When adding project examples, try to keep the presentation consistent. You can select multiple elements by holding Shift and clicking each one. Once they're selected, right-click and copy them. Then paste them into another section. This allows you to reuse the same text layout without rebuilding it from scratch. You can use the same technique when creating multiple project sections. If you like the layout of one page, you don't have to design another page manually. Instead, duplicate the page and replace the images and text with information about your next project. This helps you maintain the same visual style throughout the portfolio while still showcasing different work. Continue working through each page and replace everything you need. Add your own images, descriptions, buttons, and other information. Remove anything that isn't relevant to your portfolio. If the template has several pages, you can keep only the pages that provide useful information about your work and experience. Keep your most important projects near the beginning so visitors immediately see your strongest work. Once you're happy with the design, use Canva's preview option in the top right corner to see how the website will look. Check the desktop version first and scroll through the entire page. Make sure your images are positioned correctly, your text is readable, and your sections appear in the right order. You should also check the mobile preview. Since visitors may open your portfolio on a phone, make sure the images, text, buttons, and spacing look good on a smaller screen. If something looks out of place, return to the editor and adjust it before publishing. When everything looks good, you can publish the website. Canva allows you to publish using a free Canva domain, or you can connect a custom domain if you already have one. Choose the publishing option that works best for you. Before publishing, you can customize details such as the website title and URL. Enter a clear name for your portfolio and choose a URL that is simple and easy to remember. Then click Publish. Canva will prepare your design and host the website online. After the website is published, open the live version and test it yourself. Scroll through every section, check the images and text, and make sure the buttons and navigation work as expected. If you find anything that needs changing, return to Canva, make your edits, and publish the updated version. The main advantage of using Canva is that you don't need to build a website from scratch. You can start with a professionally designed template and customize it with your own content. With the free templates, you can create a polished portfolio without needing advanced web development skills or a paid website builder. That's all for this video. Thanks.